Start with the shape of the head. It's an egg shape, narrower at the bottom. Next we're going to do the eyes. So one eye on one side, you're going to start up about this high and then curve down about this far, a little bit before halfway. And then you want to try to do the same thing on the other side. This is the top of the eye. All right, you're going to start in one corner. You bring it down to there. Curve this part down to here. And then you're going to connect those with a curve. Now you want to repeat that same shape on the inside. All right, now we're going to start at the top. We're going to do a vertical line to the bottom. Then we do a horizontal line, but you want it to stop where the eyes are. All right, so now we're going to continually do curved lines that meet in the center. And do on each side one after another so you can keep it as symmetrical as you can. You don't want to go over the eyes though. You want it to continue it as if it were going behind the eyes. Now you're going to repeat the same thing on the bottom, but this you want to curve as if it was going over the shape of the chin. So you go down and out a little bit. Keep repeating these on each side, trying to keep it as symmetrical as you can. Continue it behind the eyes. Now at the top we're going to do little smile lines that curve this way and connect, and they continue all the way around. Go down a little bit, continue the same thing. Little curves that connect on the line. You're going to continue this all the way till you finish the top part. Then you're going to do the same thing but on the bottom and curve it in the opposite direction. After that, you just color in the outside line of the eyes.